Welcome to CK Meals and Recipes. We're preparing stir-fried noodles today. You need 250 grams of fresh noodles, half an onion, cut into shreds and shake up after cutting, then put in a dish. You also need half a carrot, cut into tiny slices. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell button for more videos. You also need a bunch of lettuce, handful, cut into slices and put aside in a dish. You need a handful of soybean sprouts and 3 eggs. Break in a plate and whisk them together. For the fresh noodles, put in boiling water, let it simmer for a few minutes, and then once ready, put in a bowl of cold water. I can see they're ready. Sieve them and put in a bowl of cold water. This helps it to become smooth and edible. Drain the cold water and don't forget to add a bit of oil to prevent it from sticking. Yeah, that's the secret. In a separate pan, put some oil and spread it around to prevent sticking. Then the ingredients that we prepared earlier, we shall fry them one by one. Pour in the beaten egg, mix until it solidifies. Then you put it in a plate aside. Will be added later. Now fry the handful of soybean sprouts for a few minutes. Then make sure you add the onions and the carrots that we chopped earlier. Yes, mix it well. Then add some seasoning, pepper. You mix as you add each ingredient. Put the fresh boiled noodles. Then add some salt. Yeah. Put some soy sauce for color and stir. Then guys, add the eggs that we prepared earlier. Don't forget to add the lettuce. It's not supposed to be so ripe, that's why I added it at the end. And there you go, your meal is ready. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.